Digital's role in conjunction with business is to identify transformational ideas and to make them happen through process and technology.
We at Tata Metaliks embarked into this journey of digitalization about a year back.
Our digital transformation journey actually started by digital roadmap, which we got prepared, and actually that gave us an idea how and where to proceed. This roadmap was actually made into 3 waves, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3.
I think the 3 themes that we have focused on or prioritized of data analytics, intelligent machines and business on mobile have truly given us the direction in which we want the organization to move.
It was done mainly to do a mindset change, first of all, to alter the thoughts a bit towards digital processes, digital ideas. Then, after that mindset transformation, we had some workshops where a lot of new ideas got generated from the people. I mean, that included old and the new both. And then we had identified some projects.
We have started on all the projects which were identified in wave 1. This phase was mainly focused on instrumentation and sensorization along with data analytics, and we were working on 3 key themes. One was robotics, the another was data analytics, and the third one was mobility.
The organization started many initiatives which, like reverse mentoring, which is doing nothing but making the senior people more tech savvy. As a result, they are able to understand the technology and with their experience would be able to see whether these technologies can be utilized within the businesses in which they have been involved in last 30-40 years. Similarly, we started an activity of taking people for experiential tours.
To start with, about 6 months or so back, we went on this Go and See visit, where along with a group of reverse mentors and digital champions, we went to like a couple of day tour of Mumbai and Pune, where we actually went on field trips to different manufacturing companies, and we saw how they were implementing digital in their own businesses, and we tried to take up lessons from there and understand how we can implement the same in our company back at TML.
Now our understanding of predictive maintenance has changed, that we need to collect the online data and also build analytics upon this, and that analytics will help us to predict the condition of the machine.
We have embarked upon a digital journey last month with installation of the predictive maintenance system for the annealing furnace. Now basically it runs on the k-means clustering algorithm,
which is a semi-supervised machine learning algorithm. We are in the process of training this algorithm.
We have trained it with a year's worth of good data of the annealing furnace gearbox vibrations and current and motor RPM. With that, analyzing that good data, it will kind of predict and warn the mechanical maintenance team in advance that whenever a failure is going to happen.
And we'll be doing so for the next 6 months or so. After that, we expect that we can predict failures before they even occur in the furnace.
We had identified a project called MES, which is a system which is to be, totally work in tandem with the production.
MES would be implemented initially across 39 workstations which is present in the plant. We sat with the respective operators, supervisors and the HODs for these workstations, and we have come up with a screen design which will be used to input various entries which as of now takes place through the log sheets. The data which has been entered from these interfaces will be linked with the machine parameters and with the quality parameters along with the maintenance parameters. These data as a whole can be used for predictive maintenance and for quality prediction in future. Also, these data will give rise to reports which are the MIS reports and various analytical reports which will help in better decision making. MES will also help in live data visualization of the plant. For the live data visualization, we are planning for 3 dashboards which will be put up at various locations in the plant. Also, there will be a web portal which can handle around 50 to 60 concurrent users. Now, these portal and the dashboards will give us a live data of what is the production going on, what are the machine parameters, which machine is up, which machine is down. So basically from MES we can expect that the machines will start communicating, so there will be a better sync up of the machine and the product quality, also better decision making.
In the project department, for example, we have implemented a wrench system, which is totally a digital platform where all the drawings and documents are kept. This also gives us a lot of benefit in having a centralized location for keeping the drawings and also man independent. Another important thing which we did was a contractor management system. This has given us a lot of benefits by on a real-time basis we know how many contract workmen are working and what kind of people are working.
Recently we have installed online coke moisture system under the digital initiatives. It is installed in MBF1 RMHS. Basically through this we are measuring the coke moisture which is coming through the belt CV3. This is basically working in microwave absorption principle, and it is installed for a primary requirement of level 2 automation system.
The purpose of reducing the unplanned downtime through predictive maintenance, we have taken two different approaches to do so. The first is through vibration analysis and the second is through oil analysis. So the spectrum analysis of the vibration and the electroimpedance analysis of the oil is currently giving us benefits so that we can find out the root causes before any failure that can occur. And in future we want to integrate it with the planned shutdown that we have every month so that we can reduce the unplanned duration time.
During digital transformation journey, we have identified that there is a scope for improvement for existing system through online canteen management system.
So we decided to come up with a web and app-based solution that would take care of the entire process of booking the meal, consuming the meal through a biometric system, capturing feedback through tabs, and at the same time also the entire accounting process would be on the system so that no manual intervention is there for accounting the meals, and the entire process was also on display at the canteen so that we know on a real-time basis that how many meals are being consumed and how many meals have been booked, and also at the same time what has been the wastage so that the sensitization is also there.
Jointly we have taken some projects mainly on the export and also on the domestic transportation, and keeping in mind all the stakeholders like customer, C&F agents, shipper and the banker, you can get a very good projects on the export and import.
One of the very good thing that we have done in the digital space is the vendor e-invoicing system, which has brought in a lot of satisfaction among the vendors. Second thing that we have used and brought in is the API banking system, which is a kind of a seamless banking between my SAP environment and the bank's platform. The third, and which we are trying to have it in next 2-3 months, is the logistics supply chain module, which will help us to achieve a lot of ease in doing business and connect with our other partners, business partners, whether it is bankers, whether it is customers, whether it is vendors.
We started with a small move in our daily transaction or the business transaction was a two-lit app, an app where our camp started logging on their daily activities, their daily transactions or daily interactions with their customers on their mobile as and when they are there.
In fact, we identified two major initiatives to be implemented in marketing and sales. One was implementation of CRM mobility-based solution for managing all our marketing and sales processes. The other was price analytics. We had also initiated a self-driven project which was margin-based volume optimizer for our BI business.
It was a very exciting journey for us. So when we have put our domain expertise in pricing analytics and margin-based volume optimizer models. Both these models are developed in-house. Today it is being run by our youngsters who are actually guiding us for making day-to-day decisions, and we are continuing with those decisions.
Going forward, Tata Metaliks will be able to reap huge benefits. Already a lot of projects have been implemented in the related to our customers, related to suppliers, and things are visible, and I think it will be more visible in the coming days forward.
In the coming financial year, we are also thinking that we should focus on some of the new technology in Industry 4.0, which is AR, VR, artificial intelligence, and digital twin. So this is the natural migration in terms of when we are moving from one level of digital maturity to the next level. And I think we are pretty geared up with the support of our senior leadership team, the HODs, the area managers, our digital champions, our reverse mentors, our digital core team, and a very good support from IT team as well.
We have just started this journey, and this journey needs to be taken forward with gusto and speed.
I want to grow with Tata Metaliks.
I'm a proud TMLite.
I'm proud to be a TMLian.
Congrats TML.
One TML.